Why, hello there. Welcome to my home for the next 7 days. Welcome on board MSC World America. This is stateroom 10080. We are staying in an Infinite Oceanview Cabin, and I'm going to give you guys a room tour. So immediately when you come in, on the back of the door, you have your muster station information. So in the case of an emergency, this is where you'll go to muster. And after you come in the door, immediate to the left, you have your bathroom. This is a standard cruise bathroom, but it's still freshly new. So right when you come in, you have the usual toilet, 4 towels over here. Unlike the older ships, we got that glass door, not a shower curtain. You know, don't nobody like that shower curtain. We prefer the glass door. So this is the shower. Plenty of room. It has a little bench to sit down in. Okay, in case you're tired, you can bathe sitting down. Or if you need to shave your legs, prop it up. It's good to go. They have the string that you pull if you want to lay out your wet bathing suits to dry, or your loofahs. You can put it on here, hang it up to dry. You have a removable shower head, and what we got? It comes with shampoo and shower gel. No conditioner, so hopefully you brought your own conditioner, but if not, you do have shampoo and shower gel to use for your convenience. But yeah, this is a pretty decent sized shower. I don't see no problem with it. I even shouldn't have a problem, bathing Autumn in it. So we don't have a tub. A tub is better for the kids, but removable shower head, hey, we'll make it work. It'll do. All right, and here you have your mirror. 1, 2, 3 shelves for storage. We got this little container. I'm assuming that it's some hand soap. Typical cruise ship sink. A cup that looks very used. Underneath you have more storage, along with the towel to sit on the floor to have once you get out the shower, and extra roll of toilet paper. And yeah, typical size cruise ship bathroom. I don't see any issues with it. It's pretty decent, and it's still in good condition because the ship is still fairly new, about 6 months old. And then right outside the bathroom, if you come here, you have your thermostat where you can adjust the temp. If you want it warmer, go towards the red. If you want it cooler, go towards the blue. You can control the lights. If we want the light on just over the couch or off the couch, press the couch button. If you want to illuminate the light by the TV, I'm guessing that's what's that for. If you want nighttime light, dimming it. And then movie time. Yeah. All right, let's turn the lights back on. All right. And then right below it is, you have to leave your room key in here, because if you take it out for too long, the power will go off. And they have it set up where you can't just put any old card in there to keep the power going. It has to be your MSC ship card for this sailing. So leave your card in there and the power will stay on throughout the day. They have implemented these new bands. So if you get a MSC band, your card is now free, and you can put it in a slot and you can leave it there and you won't even miss it. All right, then after that, we have a full length mirror for your daily fit check. And then as you continue forward, over here is the closet area. So first you have a vanity, and then you have a makeup light. If you press this button over here, it turns on the light. And then this switch controls the whole light above the mirror. Don't mind that jacket that just fell. And then this is one of the closet sections. We have some hangers, a shelf for storage, another shelf for storage. And like right now, we just have all our bags in there. And then if you close this, you can actually open this side of the closet And this side, there's more shelves for storage. You have your safe box instructions on how to operate the safe. More shelves for storage. We have 3 drawers. They're pretty deep, so good for storage as well. And that's the closet. And then next up, you have the bed. Next to the bed, you have your little nightstand with some shelves for storage. They have USB-C outlet, so if you need to charge your phone or anything, you do have an USB-C outlet next to the bed. These buttons will control your reading night light and your sconce light. And then this little button will control the lights in the room. Next up, you have this large, wonderful bed. MSC has great pillows. So you get these nice pillows. If you don't like them, you can actually order some pillows, believe it or not. But yeah, you have your luggage mat. Lay your luggage down, empty it out, and then you can remove this at the end. But please do not take this with you. All right, next up, we have this full-length mirror. Don't understand why MSC puts a full-length mirror in front of the bed, but some people like it, some people don't. I would prefer it not be in front of the bed, but it is what it is. I'm still on the cruise at the end of the day, enjoying myself. So on this side of the bed, we have the same thing as on the other side. Sconce light, night light. We also have a USB-C outlet and a light switch as well. And then there's also this little storage cabinet as well. It has a lamp with a little button to control the light as well. And then just more shelves for storage. So you can never have too much storage on a cruise ship. All right, as we proceed forward, now we have a flat screen TV. Not sure of the size, probably a 30 to 40 inch. It does swivel, so once we're in the bed and we want to watch the TV, we can swing it out so we can see it. Or if the kids are laying in the bed and they want to watch the TV, we can swivel it towards them so they can see the TV. So on our dresser, we have ice bucket, 2 glasses, more shelves for storage. They have wireless charging built into this desk. So we used it earlier, didn't know that they had wireless charging, so pretty cool. This is your ship phone to use if you need to. If you open this door, as you can see, it's labeled mini bar. This is our refrigerator or ice box cooler, and the mini bar does come fully stocked. So if you don't have the drink package, if you drink something from the mini bar, you will be charged for it, plus the 18% gratuity on top of that. But if you have a drink package, you are allowed to have a beverage from the mini bar. And continuing on, we have another cabinet that has more shelves and more storage. There was a fruit tray waiting in our room, so thank you for that. And continuing on, you have this little table that's tucked onto here. You can use this as a table. You have a little ottoman to sit on, and it's movable, so you can move it throughout the cabin and use it however you need to. There's also a drawer right here. You can store things in there as well. We have a couple European outlets, and then over here you have 2 110 outlets. You have a USB-C A and a USB-C charger. And then this button here operates our Infinite Oceanview window. So normally this would be set up as the couch, but our room steward has already turned it over into a bed, and this is where the kids will be staying. So if you open these curtains, as you can see, we have this very large window. What is this window, you may ask? Let me show you what it does. So right over here you have 2 buttons, an up button and a down button. What do these buttons do? Let me show you what the buttons do. If you press the down button, it opens the window. So it's kind of like having a balcony without having a balcony. I feel like having the Infinite Ocean View is better because you actually have usable space in your cabin. You're not losing space like you would with the balcony, because if we had a balcony, the room would probably end about here and you would come out the door and then all this would be the balcony. And this little table is pretty heavy. It got a little weight on it. But as you come forward to the Infinite Ocean View, it's like a cabin with a window. But you get all the same effects as having a balcony. We're still outside. Your balcony will still have a ledge, just like this has a ledge. So we just don't have chairs, but we have the couch right here. But yeah, it's nighttime right now, so we're looking at nothing but darkness. But hey, we'll get this view again in the morning in the daylight. So yeah, that is our Infinite Ocean View room on the MSC World America. Again, this is stateroom 10080. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and YouTube will see you in the next video. Peace.